I am going to change my clothes. 3, 2, 1. And I'm ready. Can't really see my short, but yeah, it's this one. And I'm wearing a black bathing suit under because I think there is a hot spring that we're going to. Oh, there we go. I'm ready. Hi! Zoen. Hi, Sian.
Hi, Sian daw.
Sian Kyle.
Hi, Sian Kyle.
Hi.
That's my other cousin, and that's my nephew. He's so cute. He's very cute. He's 7 months old. And this is my other cousin. Hi, ate. Hi. And that's mommy. Mommy's cooking fried rice.
Can you put it there?
Okay. Our breakfast. Hello, chubby cheeks. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at his head. He's so small. Come here. Good girl. I'm not just watching. Say hi, Nana. You see baby Sia? You're jealous? Big fast is served by mommy. There's bread. That's cake. Cake bread. Bread cake. I am not an expert at climbing. Come on. Hi, Diana. I have to look at their faces because they look like twins. And they're wearing the same shirt.
This way, this way.
We're climbing down the mountain to climb back up again. I'm gonna watch my steps. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, so many ants. Oh, it smells so bad here. It smells like poo-poo. Ah, there's an ant on me. Look how high we climbed. Yeah. From that house. So many clothes. Okay, okay. How do you not smell that? You want to see the pig? Oh, it's looking at us. There's a piggy. Piggy. Chicken. Mommy, 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 mommy. They're all girls. They're girls. They got scared. So many clothes. Oh, we have a Nile River here. That's the highway. Highway. Straight. And then there's a river there. Let me try to zoom in. There's the river. And then there's a human. And this is the neighborhood. The mountaintop neighborhood. And now my feet is all muddy.
Then we go down here.
You wanna go down here? Okay? Oh my gosh. Ah. We're going down there. My goodness. Yay! The street! It's so wet. The house is up there. There. Behind this. Over there. Up the mountain again. Halfway up the mountain. Look at these stairs. You have to go up there. Climb with Rania. Nishka! Come here! Good girl! Look at mommy. Hi! That's my uncle. And that's my aunt. This is the stairs that we went up to a while ago. up there. Let's go. So we can go to the hot spring. I'm with my little ones. And we're gonna buy chips. There's a little doggy. My goodness, just call me ate. I'm like your age. Do you know how old am I? No. I am 21. You're like half my age. Oh, you know this is my favorite? Piatos. How much? This one? Piatos 20. 60. This is 60. Want this one. Do you like Super Crunch?
Yes. No.
Not really. You don't like it?
I like it.
Little? Then we don't take it if you don't like it. What do you like? I think we're going to change this with the Super Crunch. They don't like Super Crunch.
Okay.
Sorry. 25. Okay, I'll take that. 60 and 25, right?
85.
Thank you. I never tried this. We got potato fries and piatos. Now let's go. To the hot spring we go.
It's so big.
It is, right? It's super size. Look at that. But I think that is cheap because there in the city, you know, that is 200. Yeah, piatos back in Panabo is 200 pesos. We are going with this. There is our Lamborghini. The smoke of the waterfalls. Oh wow! It's smoking. So there is this. There is no falls because the falls is actually very hot. I don't know if you're, of course you're not gonna feel anything, but this is hot water. This, oh my gosh! It's hot! This is boiling! And it's raining! My camera is all wet now. It's raining! How am I gonna video? So over there is warm. This one is hot. It's so beautiful here, guys. Look at that. There's the hot spring there. Inside there. Look at these kids. Hi girls! This is really hot and I love it. And they are taking a shower because she can't swim. So I get her hot water. Hello. Nice. So I'm gonna put you away because you guys are getting wet. Okay? Okay. Yep, I'm gonna see you guys later. Yay! Mommy is writing our names on a cactus.
Rania and Bing was here.
Rania and Bing was here, okay? So if you come here, you can see our names. This is the location. So beautiful. Look at all the mountains. It's smoking. Can you guys see the smoke of this water? Yay! Heart. I'm done change. I'm done swimming. I am red. That thing is burning hot. I'm gonna brush my hair. Where am I gonna put you? Let me put you down here. Ah, there we go. Why is it so tabigay? Yes. Say bye, doggies. And we're going back. And we're done. So we forgot Nushka's plate all the way up there. And we're going back. See you later! My camera died. I arrived and I got Nushka's plate. Here you go, Nushka. And my camera died when I arrived exactly at the pool. And now we're going back. Oh, and my mom had the extra battery. So yeah, let's go. Wait, don't leave me. Let's go. And I don't have my tripod, so bye. See you at home. We're home. Tiring day at the hot spring pool. Hi, cuz. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's very hot. Sian. Hi, baby. Cutics. Why you put cutics on your Lamborghini?
Lamborghini?
Yes. Oh, speaking of cutics, we're going to go make our nails. What is the name of it?
Santo.
In English.
Santo. Santo.
How does it taste like?
It tastes tasty.
Sweet?
No, it's sour.
Santo, can I taste your Santo?
Oh my god.
I want to eat
Dili tamis?
It's so sour.
As lumaw eh.
Mommy! Good! And we have a singer.
Tawan mo, minahal kita agad.
This video is gonna go viral because of you.
I-post ha.
And I'm eating shares. You cook? Very yummy.
Very lamig daw.
Very yummy. We are gonna go get our nails done because our nails is very funny. This is Precious. Hi! I like her name, Precious. We have to go parade to the salon. Is it raining? It's going to rain.
Oh, it's open.
Where?
There.
Why are they very far away, Land? They're very slow. This one?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So we can't get our nails done right now because there are 3 people before us. So we're gonna come back at 4. Right now, the girls want to eat banana Q. Yummy. Whoa, okay. How much? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Yeah, make it 5.
Cheers.
Cheers, everyone. Woo! Banana Q is 6 peso. Thank you.
Where will you walk?
Eh? Good.
Malayo man siguro yun, yung parang hanging grapes.
I wanna go up there. We go up there with the elevator.
Where we go?
Hanging Bridge, do you know it? It's a little far.
Diretso man to sa eskwelahan.
Your school?
High school. I'm still in elementary.
Where is elementary? In the back?
Yes.
Precious. Precious.
Dito daw ta.
Where? Where Precious?
Asa ta?
Precious.
Pa-street daw ta dito. Naman po na ikon sa YouTube.
Yeah.
Ayaw.
Why?
There?
Yeah.
Far.
No, it's not. We can walk. Noshka! You want to walk? Toothpick.
Toothpick. That's not.
Like if you have banana stuck in your teeth.
Almost there.
It's a little in front. Oh wait, no mommy, I think this is the one. Let's check this one. So we're going to a bridge. Oh my gosh, look at this fish.
Wow.
Ah!
Cute.
San Juanico.
Ako si Ate Nita. Patay ka, hadlok. Di jud ko mo agi deraad. You first.
Huh? Why me? Have to be you. Oh my gosh. Are you sure this is finished? Oh my gosh! Look at this running water! Be careful your foot! They're still so far. Be careful, huh?
Yes. I'll be careful.
Be very, very careful.
Scared
Oh my gosh, look, it's really strong. Be careful. Look at that hole. How are we gonna go to the other side? Yay! We're free. We just broke into a high school. This is crazy. Hi, buddy. If you're watching this, we're in your school. Strange. You can just enter a school from a bridge. Is this haunted?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Like the one in Jessica Soho?
Yes.
Diri sa tambay-tambay sa
Buddy, your school. Echo.
Amo ako, pero
Mommy.
oh, Jesus name. Oh, what's the liana now?
Those dogs just came running after to attack us. Look at that.
Dere daw ta. Mami na lang. Mami na lang. Kay mura magwala. Di pa katigang lang.
mura mo kung dili lola, di ba?
Yeah, right? She looks very young. She looks like your mom.
Yes. Mami na lang.
O mami na lang tulad kay Rania.
Amo tawag sa
Mommy. This is mommy from Egypt.
Di magbayo. Wa pa mo para dali. Wala mo yun.
Wow. It's your first time?
Yes.
It's their first time here.
I think yeah.
They've been living here their whole life.
We toured them here.
We're the tour guides. You look like in a movie. Action! Wow. That's so beautiful.
Kay dito man daw na sila sa unang
Are you still schooling?
I'm not schooling anymore. I graduate. I'm expired. You wanna be a flight attendant?
Yeah.
My childhood dream. Not anymore. You wanna be a doctor?
Yes.
What kind of doctor? Like a surgeon? You wanna operate? You, Sai, what do you wanna be?
Teacher.
You wanna be teacher?
Yes.
Nice. What teacher?
Kaya naman, teacher.
Like a dance teacher?
No. Anong gusto like teacher here in the school.
Ah.
But not a haunted school.
Not a haunted school. Haunted school is nice.
Pwede po ko mag-lawyer.
Oh, wow. Yeah, be my lawyer.
Duha man ako gusto ta kay doctor o army doc. Ako kay teacher o army doctor.
Oh, I wanted to be in the army.
Army doc.
Every
Police lang. Army doc ro te. Kuha ro ko bala kinsa mamatay sila.
taga og bala.
Army doc man. Kuha ko bala kay Lindsay.
I will hire you as my private doctor.
Mahadlok mo kay tagdagom.
What's that?
Karayom.
You're scared?
Nana, painumin ko muna si Nonos. Nonos.
Ay nagdala di ay mong tubig.
Dala-dala mo ko nagbaon niya kay Bibi mo.
You know she is older than you.
Yes.
How old are you?
10
It's
years
very hot.
old.
You're 10. How old are you, Sai?
Basin maulan na to.
She's still thinking.
9 nakalay.
And how old are you?
13.
13. Noshka is 11. She's older than you, so you have to call her ate. Ate Noshka. Noshka's
Hindi siya
drinking.
mga anak.
Dili na.
Oh my gosh, look at the ice. There is a tuk-tuk.
Tuk-tuk na. Sa Egypt.
Tuk-tuk.
Nanay ko na sa Egypt.
Yeah, but yellow and black. Back to the bridge because we have an appointment at 4. What time is it? I will check. Oh, it's 3:15. Noshka!
It's hunted.
Come here! Bye, haunted house. Ay, haunted school. The river is getting louder. So you wanna look at what I'm going to? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's so strong. You wanna jump? we're done with the river or the bridge, whatever you call that. Nile River in Philippines. I'll see you guys there because I don't want my camera to die. Oh, and it's what? It's the same day as the last video. You can see from my clothes. Say hi! We met new friends. Mishka!
Channel?
Oh, yes.
Oh, sige.
Siya lang. Liana.
No, siya lang para pero kita tulo support ko.
Yeah, Rania Legaspino. R-A-N-I-A. I can write it anywhere? I'll write it here. Rania Legaspino.
Ibutan na ko kay Liana Legaspino pa.
Full name?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, sure, of course. Future vlogger, subscribe to her channel. I will put it in the description down. Hey! Yay! I'm done. That is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe while you're at it. Turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I post. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe. Woo!